Pwede kayang flash dito?
Oh, there's Nemo, Juris, oh, Nemo. There, oh, Nemo.
Nasaan? Nemo! Are you finding your dad? Huh?
Juris,
There's your dad, oh.
Juris.
Nemo! Are you finding
Mami.
your dad? Nemo!
Juris, oh, nice fish.
Yeah, I already looked over there. Let's go over here.
Juris, you wait.
Daddy, my adventure right now is to find a pink fish.
I don't know if there's one.
What's angel fish?
Huh?
Angel fish.
Angel fish.
Angel?
What? Juris?
Angel fish.
Oh, starfish, Daddy, look.
Starfish? Patingin. Uy, ang laki!
Iakyat mo nga si Ading, makita niya.
Huh?
Ito,
What's what?
stingray, stingray.
Stingray so big.
Juris, so what's that?
Huh? I don't know. It's a
That's
shark.
shark.
Oh,
Ito one, oh.
where?
Pero,
Oh, wow.
Dadalhin nila yun.
kaya nga, marami dun.
Maraming fish doon. Laki ng shark.
Dami, no? Juris?
Hi, guys. Now this is part 4, and we're in the ocean park still, but we're in a aquarium.
Aquarium.
What's
Aquarium.
that?
Oh, what's that?
Stingray fish.
Oh, weird.
Stingray. Plenty of talakitok, Juris, oh. Talakitok. Sarap yan, anak.
Masakay na
Masarap.
natin yan.
Oo, talakitok yan, eh.
Ako rin.
Oo naman, sarap yan. Juris?
Hi, guys. Oh, look! There's a shark.
Shark.
Ay,
Anak, alam mo kung ano yan? Ha?
pampano.
Oh, it's a big shark.
What's that, Juris?
Shark.
Juris, it can eat you.
I saw this.
Sawfish.
It be alive?
Sawfish.
Sawfish. That's a sawfish. Ganda ng uri.
What kind of shark is that?
There's picture ng kita din. There's a picture. 好笑就兩個沙紅咁樣。呢個係咯。
Hindi sila mag-away-away, no?
Huh?
Siguro na